Green mung, also known as mung beans or green gram, is a small green legume that has been a staple in Asian cuisine and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Packed with nutrition and health-promoting properties, green mung is often referred to as a superfood for its powerful impact on human health. From improving digestion to managing chronic diseases, this tiny bean delivers big benefits. Let's explore why adding green mung to your daily diet could be one of the smartest choices you ever make. First and foremost, green mung is a powerhouse of plant-based protein, with about 24 grams of protein per 100 grams of dry beans. It's an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans who need a high-protein food to support muscle growth, repair tissues, and maintain overall body function. But unlike some other legumes, mung beans are easily digestible and cause less bloating or gas, making them ideal for people with sensitive digestive systems. They're also a rich source of essential amino acids, building blocks of protein, which are crucial for metabolism, immunity, and cell repair. Another remarkable benefit of green mung is its high fiber content. It contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which makes it a friend to your gut health. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, slowing down digestion and helping control blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, as it prevents sudden spikes in glucose. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation, hemorrhoids, and even colon cancer. Green mung is also excellent for heart health. Thanks to its rich supply of magnesium, potassium, and folate, it helps regulate blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Studies have shown that the antioxidants and phenolic compounds in mung beans may help lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol, thereby lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Regular consumption of mung beans can also improve lipid profiles and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. One of the most impressive features of green mung is its antioxidant profile. It contains powerful compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and caffeic acid, which help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of chronic diseases such as cancer, type 2 diabetes, and premature aging. By reducing this damage, mung beans may help slow the aging process, keep skin youthful, and protect organs from long-term damage. For people aiming to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight, green mung is an excellent dietary choice. Its high protein and fiber content contribute to increased satiety, which helps curb cravings and reduces the tendency to overeat. In fact, eating a bowl of mung bean soup or salad before a meal can help you feel full faster and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, mung beans have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy slowly and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing sudden hunger pangs. Green mung is also a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamin B complex, especially folate vitamin B9, which is crucial for pregnant women as it supports fetal development and prevents neural tube defects. Iron, another vital mineral found in mung beans, helps produce red blood cells and prevents anemia. Zinc boosts immune function and helps the body fight off infections, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, maintains bone density, and plays a role in over 300 enzymatic processes in the body. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, green mung is considered a cooling and detoxifying food. It is often recommended during cleansing diets or when recovering from illness because it's light, easy to digest, and nourishing. Mung bean soups, stews, and porridges are commonly used in detox routines to eliminate toxins, boost liver health, and restore energy levels. Some modern studies support these uses, showing that mung beans can bind to and flush out harmful compounds, supporting natural detoxification pathways in the body. Another lesser-known benefit of green mung is its positive impact on skin and hair. Because of its high antioxidant and nutrient content, it helps repair skin damage, promote collagen production, and prevent breakouts or acne. The zinc and vitamin C in mung beans can also help improve skin texture, reduce pigmentation, and give a natural glow. When applied as a face mask using mung bean powder mixed with yogurt or water, it can exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten dull skin. As for hair, the protein and iron in mung beans promote healthy hair growth, reduce hair fall, and strengthen hair roots. Mung beans also support hormonal balance, especially in women. Their rich nutrient profile helps regulate estrogen levels and support reproductive health. Women experiencing symptoms of PMS or menopause may benefit from adding mung beans to their meals, as they can reduce bloating, fatigue, and mood swings. Furthermore, due to their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, green mung may support better immune function and reduce the risk of infections and chronic inflammation-related conditions like arthritis, if you're dealing with high blood sugar or insulin resistance. Green mung can play a critical role in helping manage those conditions naturally. Its low glycemic index and high fiber helps low carbohydrate absorption and improve insulin sensitivity. In some studies, mung bean extracts have been shown to reduce blood sugar and increase insulin activity, which could make them helpful for prediabetic or diabetic individuals. Including mung beans regularly in your diet, whether as sprouts, cooked dishes, or soups, can provide a steady energy supply without blood sugar crashes. Finally, green mung sprouts are one of the most nutrient-dense forms of the legume. Sprouting enhances the bioavailability of vitamins like vitamin C and B complex, breaks down anti-nutrients like phytic acid, and makes the nutrients easier for the body to absorb. Sprouts also contain active enzymes that aid in digestion, boost metabolism, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Eating sprouted mung beans as a salad or in wraps is an excellent way to enjoy their raw benefits and get a dose of living enzyme-rich food. In conclusion, green mung is more than just a humble legume. It's a treasure trove of health benefits packed into a small, affordable, and versatile food. From improving digestion and boosting immunity to supporting heart, skin, and hormonal health, green mung earns its title as a true superfood. So whether you enjoy it cooked, sprouted, or as part of a detoxifying soup, adding green mung to your meals can pave the way toward a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant life. Embrace this ancient powerhouse and let it nourish your body from the inside out.